Friends, today in Jakarta, Indonesia, ASEAN Defence Ministers Meeting Plus happened. So this meeting is attended by the 10 ASEAN countries' defence ministers along with the 8 dialogue partner countries, which are India, China, Russia, USA, Japan, South Korea, Australia and New Zealand. The main purpose of the meeting is to strengthen the security ties and defence cooperation among these 18 countries, which are the major stakeholders of Asia-Pacific region. They basically want to eradicate not only the traditional threats but also non-traditional threats occurring in and around South China Sea. They decided to bring together and integrate their military resources and expertise to achieve peace, stability and development of this region. This actually occurred in the backdrop of China's flexing its military muscle in South China Sea by claiming almost all of the South China Sea, which is affecting sovereignty of certain countries like Vietnam, Brunei and Philippines, which are having counterclaims. The reason behind this is that South China Sea is geopolitically, strategically very significant, and also huge resources of hydrocarbons are present there. Even the India's defense minister said that the main purpose is to achieve peaceful navigation, overflight and trade and commerce in this region.